Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare vitamin C versus tretinoin. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant known for brightening skin, evening tone, and protecting against environmental damage. Tretinoin, a potent retinoid, is celebrated for its ability to accelerate cell turnover, reduce fine lines, and improve skin texture. Both offer unique, significant benefits for achieving healthier, more radiant skin, but they work in different ways. Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, is a vital molecule for skin health. It's a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your skin from free radicals and environmental stressors. This ingredient also plays a crucial role in collagen synthesis, which leads to firmer skin and a reduction in fine lines. Furthermore, vitamin C is excellent for brightening your complexion and reducing the appearance of dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Tretinoin is a prescription-strength retinoid derived from vitamin A. It works by speeding up the life cycle of skin cells, promoting faster cell turnover. This process helps to unclog pores, making it highly effective for treating acne. Beyond acne, tretinoin is renowned for its anti-aging benefits, significantly reducing the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and dark spots by boosting collagen production and improving overall skin texture. When incorporating both vitamin C and tretinoin into your routine, it's generally recommended to use vitamin C in the morning for its antioxidant protection and tretinoin at night, as it can increase sun sensitivity. Start tretinoin slowly, perhaps a few times a week, to allow your skin to adjust and minimize irritation like dryness or peeling. Crucially, always apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen daily to protect your skin, especially when using these powerful ingredients.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.